Hello, beautiful fishy. I'm Bernadette. What's your name?
Aranya? Please don't make me into fish face.
Don't worry, Aranya. I'm a vegan. We love all animals, so we don't eat them.
How can you stay underwater like a fish?
I have vegan superpowers, of course.
Thank you, Bernadette. You're so very sweet.
You are very sweet yourself, Aranya. I have somebody I'd like you to meet.
Okay, who is it?
Hello, I'm Elmer. Oh gosh, you're pretty.
Oh, thank you, Elmer. You're very nice.
Do you want to go see the coral reef together?
That would be wonderful, Elmer.
Oh, no, that is so sweet. Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan Cooking at Hilde Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, Bernadette, and Champ. Champ is actually in front of me right now directing this show. So, hi Champ! I'll see you later. Okay, tonight it's so exciting. We're going to make the Thai green curry. Some of these ingredients you have not probably seen in the regular supermarkets. You really need to go to Oriental supermarket to get some of the items. I cannot handle the Thai chili. It's just really spicy to me. And my sweetheart also doesn't like too much spicy. So I placing the Thai chili with jalapenos. Jalapeno is much milder. Now to replace the fish sauce, I'm actually using nori. So let's start to make the Thai green curry paste. First items that we need to place in a food processor will be the sliced lemongrass and the galangal. Because these are hard vegetables and it needs to process first. Right. Drop the lemongrass. Then we're going to place all of our cilantro. So we're gonna make all of these as like a super paste to create the green curry paste. Also, these are the jalapeno. You remove the seeds out. And then just check it from time to time. Okay, we're going to drop the shallot and leave some for sauteing. Coriander, 1 teaspoon. Teaspoon of cumin. And if you have powder, you can also add some powder. It's just a splash. Cumin. Nori. And a pinch of salt. Now put a little bit of water. And squeeze some lime. 1 squeeze, that's it. Now try it if it's spicy enough for you. If it's not spicy, then add the chili. Now this is actually a mild spicy, so we can still add seed from jalapeno. 1. You also need to add some soy sauce. 1 teaspoon. Now the salt and soy sauce is going to be to taste. Okay, you're going to taste it again. Wow, it's tasty. That's why it's good to make the curry paste at home, because it's fresh and it's tasty. And I can actually still add the rest of this nori. So you can actually use one or 1.5 or 2 nori. And the nori again replace the taste of the fish sauce. And some salt again. More squeeze of lime. Okay, I'm gonna add some of these scallions. So just keep on processing it until you get into creamy paste. As you can see, this become really like a paste. So this is the kind of consistency you're looking for. And taste it last time. So this is still a mild Thai green curry paste, and that's already good enough for me. And what you usually do is keep this in the fridge for an hour, and then you can use it for your Thai green curry. Okay, so this is how the green Thai curry paste look like. Next procedure we're gonna do is to saute the garlic. Okay, saute garlic and also saute shallot. If you don't have a shallot, then just some onions, fine. And then you remove the shallots and garlic out from the oil. Next, you're going to heat up the green curry paste that you prepared. And you just add 2 tablespoons for now. And saute this on a low heat. Okay, after sauteing it on a low heat for about 5 minutes, just make sure you don't burn it. Don't burn your paste. So keep on observing it. Okay, you're gonna set it aside. And fry your vegan chicken. And once your vegan chicken is becoming a little golden brown, you add the bamboo shoots. Mix it together. And add your Thai eggplant. Add some soy sauce, turmeric, some cumin, and some coriander. It's just a splash for each one. And add slowly the coconut milk. Cook it on a slow heat. Now the Thai chili paste that you set aside earlier, that we sauteed, we're going to put it back slowly. This is the 3rd tablespoon, and stir it again. We'll cook it on a low heat, and we'll check it from time to time. And drop a piece of lemongrass in the middle to flavor more. A splash of lime juice. Yum. Okay, so this is almost done. And you can return the tofu back. And remember the sauteed garlic and onion that you sauteed earlier? You can also put it back. And stir it. Cook for a few minutes and this will be done. Hi everyone! Yay! Our Thai green curry is ready. Look! You can do this at home. Just try a little bit of effort to go to Oriental Supermarket, buy the stuff, and you can do this at home. Thank you so much for watching our show. We'll see you next time. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Vegan Cooking at Hilded Cafe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. It's super delicious.